Hey guys, welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
This week I am taking over. Even 2 years into doing this, I still feel like a complete noob. I feel like I know the basics and I've done smaller projects here and there and obviously helped out on a ton, but this week I am building an entire media center by myself, so this should be pretty interesting. Dylan is still going to be here. He's going to be behind the camera, and plus I know I'm probably going to need him at some point. With that being said, let's get started. So materials for this project is going to be pretty minimal. We have 4 6-foot project panels. You could definitely glue up boards for this project, but we ain't got time for that, so we're going to use some project panels. We also have 4 Select Pine 1x2s and 3 Select Pine 2x2s, and something that is completely different is some cane webbing, which I'm the most excited for. So we have had a really hard time finding this cane webbing in this dimension. I think we have 10 feet of this, so don't worry about remembering all these products. We will have all of them listed down below along with project plans for this entire build. Okay, there's fuzz everywhere. Okay, so I have my computer out with my cut list on it, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the side panels and then the panel in the middle. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring out the exact measurement that I need, and then I'm using a big speed square to draw my marks. I'm gonna need a straight edge. Can I use, shoot.
Yellow. I think you can do this freehand.
I'm too scared to do that.
I think it's worth a try. You're not gonna ruin it. So learning a time for everything. You just go really slow, and I promise you, it's way easier than you think.
Okay, whatever. That's about
She's going freehand.
That's about to drive me crazy.
You got it, huh?
I'm scared.
You got it.
Ready?
Yeah. Yo, that was literally perfect.
I'm sweating so freaking bad.
I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that was literally perfect.
So I have to cut 3 of these. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera and try to clear out a little bit of the smoke, and I'll be right back.
Molly cut one of her boards a little too short. It's all right.
It's
Got
just
a little emotional, but
frustrating.
it's okay.
I just want it to be perfect.
She's frustrated at me because I won't let her use a table saw because I really want her to learn how to use a circular saw because she already knows how to use a table saw. That's easy, but we can do this. I promise you'll be much better at woodworking if you learn how to use the circular saw first.
I believe you.
Okay.
So
now what?
Now I need to take these boards down in width just by like an inch.
Same boards you just cut out.
Right, all 3 of them, take them down by like an inch. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go team, go.
Again, cut one a little too short, but it's gonna be all right. We're gonna make it work.
Why are you like saying that over and over again?
Cause you had a little mental breakdown about it. It's okay. I just want people to know that if you screw a board up, don't scratch the whole project. We can make this work. I promise.
I just don't want to screw this up.
You got this. All right, so Molly pretty much killed it with the last several of them.
They weren't on camera, of course.
She's gotten a whole lot better. See, told you. Just a handful of times using it and you get so much better.
True.
Unfortunately, we made a mistake of doing the least critical parts last. We really should have done those first when you were practicing, more or less. But
it is what it is.
Okay, so what are we gonna do next?
I'm going to do the 1x2s for the door catches that are going behind all the doors. And then I'm doing the 1x2 door styles, 8 of them, right?
Yep. 8.
And then the door rails, those are all 1x2s. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the 1x2s first, and then we'll move on to the 2x2s.
And what are the 2x2s gonna be?
2x2s are everything for the base.
Okay, cool.
Ready? Let's go. Go team, go. Let's go, let's go.
Nice.
Yeah, but you know what? It's, what, 7 o'clock?
Who cares?
I'm gonna get hangry.
Well, let's knock these out. Quicker the better, and then we can go get some food.
Okay, okay, great.
Wow, looking for a
I got
pencil there. So it's easiest is to get the saw flat first and square this. Now look to this side, scoot it up to the board. Now now scoot the whole thing over. And then boom, you're done. You're locked in. You're ready to go. Huh? I'm Paul.
That's good.
Yeah. Now scoot it off the wood a bit. You don't want to start on the wood. Hey, you ain't good no more.
Huh?
You ain't good no more.
What are you talking about?
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Keep it flat.
I'm trying. It's hard.
Now, get it square.
My glasses are falling off. It's hot. You're yelling at me.
I can't hear. Look, yep, now scoot over. Now lock her in. Yep, now you good. Oh,
What?
you're killing me, Smalls.
Am I good? My glasses. Oh no.
Holy.
Am I good there?
You're good.
So it is now the next day. I have all my pieces cut, and the next thing I am going to be doing is drilling pocket holes into all the pieces that need pocket holes. So I'm just doing both sides, correct?
Both sides, dear.
And doesn't
On the
matter.
same side. Make sure you're always doing it on the
Right.
same side. Easy.
And I'm
Mess
looking for
that up.
the worst side to do the holes on,
Correct.
usually. So it is now the next day. I've already gone ahead and sanded everything down with 220 grit sandpaper, and the next step that we're going to be doing is putting the whole base together using pocket holes. So what we did when I was cutting these out is we labeled these what each piece is, so when we had a bunch of different cuts, we knew exactly what each piece was. So firstly, I'm going to be doing the side pieces that are in a square, and then I'm going to be connecting both of them together with these stretchers. So now I have both sides put together, and I'm about to connect them with these stretchers using these neat little pocket hole clamps.
So what have you done so that we know what the heck's going on?
Okay, so I marked the center of this piece from here to here, and then I marked the center of that.
So you got a mark to line up?
Yeah.
And I'll just keep that lined up for you. And I just have to pop a screw in there. Things to keep in mind when you're doing pocket hole screws: do not over tighten them, especially in pine. You'll just strip threads out and then you're done for.
Right?
Yep. Alright, let's spin this.
This looks so good.
You've seen how we put that side on. We're just gonna do that for this side and then the same thing on the bottom. We'll be right back.
Yeah, it's like my first project's done.
Not really.
Half of my project's done. Not really, actually. I feel like there's so much more left. Anyway, base is done. Moving on to the cabinet.
Which side do you want the top?
That one, this side doesn't look too yellow.
So you want this to be the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
See that?
This has got to be in the center. The dead
Okay,
center.
but I want this to be this way.
Actually, what we should do, if we were smart, we'd take these guys and we'd put them in there as our spacers and hope that we did our measurements right.
That's really bad. That's really bad.
Oh, all right. So they're not really lining up. That could be a handful of things. Maybe these are cut too long. Probably. It could be difference in material thickness. It could be this board's shorter than we thought. It could be a lot of different things, but
It's like a
it's
quarter
better.
of an inch
It's
off.
better than it being too What you got on your face? You had a sawdust stash.
Oh.
All right, we'll be back. We're gonna cut these down a little bit and then we'll get back to installing them.
So we got these shelves fixed and cut to length, so now they fit inside the cabinet evenly. So now we just need to attach the centerpiece and the shelves.
And we're gonna use the centerpiece, or we're gonna use the shelves as a guide to attach the centerpiece so that it's in the right spot.
Right. Shelves are in. Now we are going to attach the top, and then we can attach the cabinet to the base.
Let's do it. All right,
I'm sweating.
finish screwing these in and we'll be all done.
So we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. We ran into a few problems putting on the doors. The door hinges kind of popped out right here, and they're supposed to be full overlay and they're not. So we're gonna have to get new door hinges and figure that out. But in part 2, that will be coming out in a few days, we will be finishing up these doors, putting the cane on the back and moving it into its new home. But before you go, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to get notified on everything else that we're doing, we do have a brand new newsletter system that works so well. That link will be in the description. But not to get too discouraged about this project. I mean, look how cute it is. I can't wait to have this thing done. Anyway, we will see you guys in a couple days.